welcome back to my channel. I already say Dee's Kitchen, but you know what I meant. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really good recipe for you guys. Today we are going to cook stovetop steaks. How to cook perfect stovetop steaks. So with that being said, let's jump right into this video. So to start off, I have 3 ribeye steaks here that I have pre-seasoned, which you can season your steaks with, you know, the seasons of your choice, but I use salt, pepper, onion powder, and fresh garlic. So that's how I season my steak. So now what we're going to do is take, you can use olive oil. I'm gonna use grapeseed oil because grapeseed oil is good with high heat. So I am going to just pour grapeseed oil over my steaks before I get started on both sides. You know, just rub it down in there. Okay, we ready to eat good. You guys hear me? We ready to eat good. Okay, now that I have rubbed, I have a ribeye down in grapeseed oil, we are good to go. Look at that steak, guys. Look how thick that steak is. That's a steak. This a real steak. So I'm gonna move this out of the way, and I'm going to. You want to use your cast iron frying pan if you have one. So I'm gonna turn it on to medium-high heat. And I'm just gonna allow my pan to warm up. Okay, so the key to cooking steaks on top of the stove is butter. And this is one of the best butters that you can use. You can use any kind, but this is a really good kind. Kerrygold, pure Irish butter. I love it. So I'm just gonna get a knife. And you want to put butter in the butter of your pan. Put butter in your pan. Don't be afraid to use the butter. Like, it's going to smoke, but that's what you want. You also can put just a little olive oil or, you know, grapeseed oil with it. Like that. And we're just gonna place our steak in our frying pan. I probably only can do 2 at a time. Oh man, they smell amazing. And you want to allow them to cook. Depend upon how thick your steaks are. Depends on the cook time. You know, whether you like them well, medium well. You know, that all depends on how thick the steaks are and how well you want them cooked. So I don't have a exact estimate time, but I say use your better judgment. So they are cooking. They smell amazing. I'm gonna open up a restaurant one day, you guys. Look at that. So to zoom in so that I can show you guys what I'm talking about, you have your butter here. on the side, right in there. You have your butter right there, just cooking. That's the key to cooking stovetop steaks. So I'm gonna flip them over. They real soft and tender. I turned my eye up just a little bit because I want them to cook a little bit faster, but not too fast where they burn, or the outside cook faster than the inside, because I want them, you want them to cook evenly all the way through. But I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna get y'all on to something. You gotta try this butter. Bring it closer so you can see. You gotta try it. I got this butter from Walmart. So we're just gonna allow that to cook. So they done cooked about 4 minutes on that side. So let's turn them over. Turn this one over. Let's switch sides because it seemed like that side cooking faster than this side. It's still a little too pink for me, as I can see. I see some pink right here. Some pink right there. So we're just gonna allow them to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes on that side, and then we're gonna check them. So our steak has cooked for 5 minutes on the other side. They are done. You just pick them up, which I have a plate here with paper towel. Take them up. That one is tore all to pieces. Look at that beautiful steak. Beauty. Yes. So all I'm gonna do now is just cook my other one the same way. Same rules apply. As you can see, I should have showed you before I put this in there. Still have butter in my pan from the first two, so you don't have to apply any more butter. So I'm just gonna lay that steak right on in there, and I'm gonna let that beauty cook, honey. Our last steak is cooking really well. Flip it over, look at it. Flip it over. Flip the other side. So our last steak has cooked for 5 minutes on that side. So I'm gonna turn it on this side and let this side cook for 5 minutes. It's got that golden brown look to it. So our steak has cooked on both sides. Just take it up. So I topped our steaks off with, you know, a small piece of butter and fresh herbs, which I use cilantro. You can use, I mean, I use chives. You can use cilantro, chives, thyme, whatever fresh herbs you want to use. Don't they look amazing? Yes. Yes. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed, you must go subscribe now. Okay? Now, on this video right here below. Now. So give my video a thumbs up, comment and tell me what you think about this video. And if you try that butter that I'm using in this video, also comment and let me know what you think about this butter. Okay? So with that being said, every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday, I have a video that's going to be uploaded. Okay? So you do not want to miss an upload. So with that being said, make sure your bell is on. Okay? So as always, thanks for watching. Bye.